Hello, today we will start with standard time. We have discussed local time, so let us discuss a little bit about it again. So local time, it is, for example, local time at a place, it is fixed. It is fixed. Therefore, local time is fixed. At any place, any particular location on the earth's surface, it is fixed with reference to the path of the sun. With reference to the path of the sun. Path of the sun in the sky. So, local time, it depends on the path of the sun. Where the sun lies, accordingly the local time is found at that particular place. So, when the sun's inclination is maximum. So, when sun's inclination is maximum, that is, the angle the sun is making with the surface of the earth is maximum at the particular place. At the time, it will be the noon. So, at this time, it is 12 noon local time. 12 noon local time. So, how can we calculate the local time at any particular location? For that, if we know the longitude, we can calculate the local time at that particular place. So, if we know the longitude, so through longitude we can calculate the local time at particular place. So I am taking one example. For example, you are at Sikar. Sikar is at it is having longitude of 75.139725 degree east. Jaipur, it is having 75 degree 75.86669 degree east. So equivalent to, we take it 75 degree east. Sikar we are taking 75 degree east and Jaipur we are taking 76 degree east. So there is the difference of 1 degree longitude, and we have discussed that Earth 360 degree longitude, it is covered in 24 hours, and 1 degree longitude difference, it is covered in 4 minutes. For example, this is 75 degree east, this is 76 degree east. So the time difference between them will be of 4 minutes. Now, for example, at Sikar, the local time is, it is 12 noon 15 minutes. It is 12 noon and 15 minutes. So 12:15 p.m. Now, as at the same time, Jaipur, the time will be 12:19 p.m. So as we move from Sikar to Jaipur, we have to make ahead our watch by 4 minutes. So we have to increase the time by 4 minutes in our watch. So, or for example, you have stayed somewhere in between, that is 75.5 degree or 75 degree 30 minutes east. You stayed there. At that place, you have to increase the time by 2 minutes. You have to increase the time by 2 minutes. So if these are the longitude, for example, 75 degree, 76 degree. In between, there are other longitudes. At every place in between these two longitude, there will be different local time. In between, here it will be, for example, here it is 12:15, here it is 12:19, here it will be 12:17. In between them, again 1 minute difference, 12:16, here 12:18. So these are the local time. Depending on the longitude, we will have the local time. So as we move from one place to another, The local time will differ and we have to change the time in our watch. Whether if you are moving from Sikar to Jaipur, we have to make our watch ahead of the time, ahead of 12:15 by 4 minutes. If we are moving back from Jaipur to Sikar, we have to shift the clock backwards by 4 minutes. So this will be very cumbersome, and for this we have devised standard time. So we'll be discussing standard time now. Now we'll discuss standard time. Local time we have discussed. At every longitude it varies. It varies as per the longitude. Now standard time we'll be discussing. So before the middle of the 19th century, there were around 100 different time systems. Throughout the world. So before the middle of the 19th century, there were around 100 different time systems around the world, and they all were based on rising of the sun. So now as the global trading increased, and faster transport communication, it becomes necessity that we should have a very simple time system. We should follow a very simple time system. So we required a simpler time system. It became a necessity to devise a simpler time system. So in 1884, at International Meridian Conference, that is IMC. At IMC, it was held at Washington DC. And in this conference, the world was divided into 24 standard time zones. So in 1884, at International Meridian Conference, the world was divided into 24 standard time zones. Therefore, world was divided into into 24 time zones. As we have discussed, 1 degree longitude difference is of 4 minutes. 15 degree longitude difference, it will be of 60 minutes or 1 hour. So if we divide 360 degree, total number of longitude 360 degree divided by 15 degree, we are getting 24, and this 24 represents time zones. So we divided 24 hours into 24 time zones, and each zone having 1 hour difference. Therefore, the earth was divided into 24 time zones, and each time zone having 15 degree and a difference of 1 hour. So for example, if I take this as 0 degree, that is the prime meridian. This is the 0 degree longitude, it is prime meridian. Now the next one, it will be 15 degree east. There are many longitudes lying in between as well, but we are taking at a difference of 15 degrees. 15 degree east, 30 degree east. This will be 45 degree east, 60 degree east. Similarly, it will be up to 180 degree east, and on the western side it will be 15 degree west, 30 degree west, 45 degree west, 60 degree west, and similarly up to 140. So there are 24 time zones, one zone, second zone, third, fourth, fifth, like these zones. Now how we divided them in zone? For example, 0 degree we are taking total difference is of 15 degree, in between we are taking here. Now see how we divided the zones. This is 0 degree, we are taking 7.5 on this side, 7.5 degree, and 7.5 on this side, that is 7 degree 30 minutes, 7 degree 30 minutes. So this total is of 15 degree. So whatever time is here at, that is the local time at 0 degree longitude. Whatever the local time at 0 degree longitude is there, that is taken as the standard, and this will be followed at all the longitudes, and this 7.5 degree on both the sides of this 0 degree. So see again, local time at this point will be different from this local time. At this point the local time will be different from local time at here. But what we did, we standardized the local time at 0 degree meridian. We standardized the local time at 0 degree, and this local time at 0 degree meridian will be followed by all the places lying 7.5 degree on the east of the 0 degree and 7.5 degree west of the 0 degree. So this local time will be our standard time for this whole region, lying between 7.5 degree on both the side. At 15 degree, the time will be 1 hour ahead of the 0 degree, because 15 degrees difference we are having 1 hour. So as we are moving on the east side, the time will be ahead of the whatever it is at prime meridian. So whatever time it is here, we will add +1 for the time here. So here the time is there. So whatever time is here, that will be followed for all the places lying in between this zone. So this is one time zone, this is next time zone, this is one time zone. These are time zones, and within this time zone, the places lying anywhere at any longitude, they will follow the same time as this longitude. Similarly here, whatever time is here, here it will be +2 of the time at Greenwich meridian. At 30 degree, the time will be 2 hours ahead of the time at Greenwich mean time. Whatever time is here, here the time will be 2 hours ahead of that. So we will add 2 hours to the Greenwich mean time. Similarly, if we move here at 45 degree, it will be +3 hours. It will be +3 hours. So +3 is added to the Greenwich mean time, and we'll get the time here. This same time will be followed in this zone, and this will be the standard for this zone. So similarly, it will be as we move towards the east side of the Greenwich mean time, we are adding +1 for each 15 degree. So there will be 12 hours as we reach the international dateline, that is the 180 degree. As we reach the opposite of 0 degree, that is 180 degree, it will be 12 hours. And as we move on the western side, it will be, we will subtract 1 hour. It will be -1, -2, -3, -4. So we will be decreasing 1 hour each. So here we are moving ahead, here we are moving back. So at the international dateline, as we reach the international dateline, there will be difference of 24 hours at that point. 0 degree, as we are moving in the east side, we are increasing time by each hour for 15 degrees. So as we reach the 180 degree, we will be having 24 hours. So at Greenwich mean time, as we are moving towards the international dateline, that is 180 degree. 180 degree east, we will be increasing by 1 hour for each 15 degrees. So there are 12 zones, 12 hours will be moving this side. At 180 degree, it will be 12 hours ahead. And as we move from in the west side, in the western side. As we move towards the west from the Greenwich Mean Time, we will be decreasing by 1 hour for each 15 degrees. There are 12 zones this side as well. So 12 hours we will deduct. So here we are lagging by 12 hours, here we are ahead by 12 hours. So at the 180 degree, there will be difference of 24 hours, that is of 1 day. So the 0 degree longitude, that is the prime meridian, Greenwich meridian. It was chosen as the standard for the entire system. This was chosen as the standard for the entire system. The prime meridian became the center of the time zone. This became the center of the time zone, and it extends 7.5 degree on east and west side of it. So this whole, it is extending 7.5 degree on the east, 7.5 degree on the west. This will have the same time. Now similarly other meridians, similarly the meridians that are multiples of 15 degree, 0 degree, then 15 degree, 30 degree, the meridians which are multiples of 15 degree, they were on the both sides, that is east and west side. They were set as the central meridian for each time zone. For example, this time zone, the central meridian for this time zone will be 15 degree. For this time zone, the central meridian will be 30 degree east. For this time zone, the central meridian will be 45 degrees. So we have set this as the central meridian for this time zone. So each time zone we have set one central meridian, and it extends 7.5 degree on this side, east side, and 7.5 degree on the west side. So same time will be followed here. So on Earth, if this is the 0 degree longitude, that is the Greenwich meridian, and we have taken it as the standard for the time, that is Greenwich Mean Time. So as it will have the, it extends to, this zone extends to 7.5 degree on the east side and 7.5 degree on the west side. They all places lying in between these two will have the same time. So this is one time zone. Now next one, 15 degree, it will be ahead by plus 1 hour. Similarly, if we move towards the west at 15 degree, it will be lagging by 1 hour. That is, we subtract -1 from the Greenwich Mean Time to get the time and in this zone. So each zone there is a difference of 1 hour. For example, a country, this is one country. Now if we are moving from here to here, here to here, you have to change the time, because this is one time zone. Now this will be other time zone. This is one time zone, this is second time zone, this is third time zone. So as we are moving from one time zone to other time zone within the country, the person may get confused. So therefore, to avoid the confusion, we follow the uniform time throughout the country. So we want to follow the uniform time throughout the country. Such uniform time will be based on the central meridian of the country, or the meridian on which the most important city of the country is located. So either the central meridian or the meridian of the most important city through which it is passing. Now, so such a central meridian, any central meridian that is chosen as for the standard time, that meridian will be called as standard meridian. For example, for this country, we will prefer 30 degree east. So whatever time is here or here, whatever time on this meridian, that will be followed within the whole country. So this will be our standard meridian, and whatever time is here, that will be followed over the whole country. So it will be 2 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. So the same time will be followed throughout the country. Though the country is lying within different time zones. Here 3 time zones are there, but we are following the time available in this time zone. Now this time zone can be selected as well. For example, we are selecting through 1 hour, we can select as well 7.5 degree as well. So there will be difference of half hour. There will be difference of half hour. So we can select 0 degree, 7.5 degree east, 15 degree east. Next add 22.5 degree east. So 0 degree to 7.5, we are having difference of half hour. between these two longitude difference of half hour. So we can select either these 0 degree or in multiples of 7.5 degree. That is 0 degree, 7.5 degree, 15 degree, 22.5 degree, 30 degree. These meridians can be selected as standard meridian for the country. For example, India, it has selected 82.5 degree east. That is 82 degree and 30 minutes east. It passes nearby Allahabad. Near Allahabad. This longitude passes near Allahabad, and this is our standard meridian. Standard meridian. And Indian time, it is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. So we have selected 82 degree and 30 minutes, and this is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. So in multiples of half hours as well, we can take the time. So it will be easy around the world to move. We have to switch the watch either plus in multiples of half hours ahead or back in multiples of half hours.